The warning blind spot sensors required in a Volvo vehicle means that the BLIS system has detected fatal issues with one of the blind spot detection sensors and is now not working at all. Usually this happens because of actual damage to the sensors that are located behind the rear bumper on the corners. These sensors have very small clearance with the bumper, and even a small collision, small impact may hit them out of alignment or even destroy them. But this is not the only reason for these problems. Sometimes the sensors may just be deactivated by software because they got abnormal readings for some time, like the rear bumper may have snow or ice buildup on it, or the car is in very heavy traffic and the radars seem to get misleading data. So you may try turning the vehicle off, taking your Volvo to a car wash, or just waiting till the traffic is better and checking if the warning disappears. Just remember that whenever you see this warning, your blind spot warning lights in the mirrors will not work, so pay more attention to the road when changing lanes. But if the problem is permanent or intermittent, the sensors and their wiring will need to be inspected. I would start with the VIDA or dealership grade scanner because sometimes they will show you some specific codes and narrow down the culprit of the problem. But anyway, this is not a DIY job to fix the wiring or connection issues or to replace and calibrate the malfunctioning blind spot detection sensors.